The Supreme Court has given the Indian Coast Guard 2 weeks to decide on permanent commission for woman officer Priyanka Tyagi, warning that it could order her absorption if the decision is not taken. A bench headed by Chief Justice Surya Kant criticized the Coast Guard's new policy as vague and arbitrary. The court said women officers could not be humiliated in this fashion. The bench questioned why permanent commissions could be given to male officers but not women. Tyagi has served as a short service appointee for more than 14 years. She was earlier denied permanent commission and ordered to leave the service. The Supreme Court had directed her reinduction in 2024 after she challenged her discharge. Tyagi has also served as captain of the Coast Guard's first all-women Dornier crew in the eastern region. Her lawyer told the court that she has around 4,500 flying hours and has helped save more than 300 lives at sea. The Coast Guard cited infrastructure limitations while opposing her induction. The bench rejected what it described as hyper-technical objections. Justice Joymala Bagchai also noted that Tyagi had consistently received recommendations from her superiors. The court has now given the Coast Guard 2 weeks to reconsider her case. If it fails to do so, the bench said it would consider ordering her permanent absorption.